Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in a different setting. I'm actually standing in the hallway. It's finna get dark outside, so that's why I'm trying to get all the light that I can, because I don't have any of my lights with me or anything like that. So hopefully you guys can hear me, because my mic cord is mad tangled, and yeah, I don't feel like untangling it. But today I'm not going to talk a lot. I'm just going to get right into it. But before I begin and go wet my hair and everything, I am going to be attempting to use these Spoolie magic roller things. I've heard and seen so many videos about them, so yeah, that's just what we're doing today. I don't even have my viewfinder set up, so I hope that I'm in focus. Today I will be using the Tailored Beauty new golden herbal collection. The products that I have are the Curl Antidote Curling Cream. We have the Flexible Curl Potion Mousse. And we have the Lustrous Hair Remedy Serum. These are the three products that I'm going to be using to achieve this hairstyle. So I'm finna go wet my hair and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, I'm back, and PS, this is gonna be like my first styling video since I got my new hairdo. So I'm going to, of course, I'm gonna do the back of my hair first. I always do the back. And I'm going to start off in the back. Once I kind of get situated and get started, then I'm going to come back on camera and show y'all what it do. Alright guys, I'm back. I really hope I'm in focus because I can't see myself. But I did the majority of the back of my head. And now I'm gonna continue up here. My hair was a little damp and I didn't want to wet it any more than it already was, because you know, with stuff like this, your hair can take forever to dry. So didn't wet it any more than it already is. And then I'm going in with the Curl Antidote cream, taking a little bit of that, putting that on the section, and then the mousse, 2 or 3 pumps, and saturating the strand. Then I'm gonna go in with my Denman brush, detangle, and okay, so what I've learned so far from watching Hazel Goddess, Kimberly Sherrill, and finally Amber, I got some tips from all of them, and so I'm rolling with the smaller end facing towards my face, and then I'm also twisting or twirling the root of my hair first, and then beginning to wrap. And as I wrap, I'm kind of wrapping it like a wand or flexi rod. But then also, I don't start directly at the root. I kind of leave like probably about an inch between where I'm wrapping. And like I said, just finish wrapping. And once I finish wrapping, I roll it up to my head and then close it like that. Alright, I hope you guys seen that. I'm gonna finish my head up, and then I'm gonna just let this bad boy dry. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I don't even have my microphone. I'm just irritated because I checked my hair and my hair is still soaking wet. Like, literally, I just turned the roller inside out. Let me get closer so y'all can see. Like, you can tell that my hair is still soaking wet. Like, it's mushy. Like, seriously. So, I'm finna open it up, plug up the dryer, and try to dry it and see what happens. I got things to do today, so I'm trying to figure it out now. I had these in for 18 hours, and I sat under the dryer. I went to the shop, and I sat under the dryer while my dad did hair. Still soaking wet. Like, seemed like I just put them in. That's how they feel. So, I mean, I'm gonna see if this helps. If not, we finna have to finesse real quick. But right about now, I'm saying it's a fail, and I'm very irritated because I wasted my time. But they're not uncomfortable to sleep in, so that's a plus. But like I can't remember who's, I think it was Kimberly Sherrill, where she said they don't have enough holes in them. Like, it needs more ventilation or something, because it's like sitting under the dryer and all that stuff. It doesn't even do anything because there's not even enough holes to get through. Like, and this is not for people with thick hair. It's not. It's really not. It's a waste of time. It might work on dry hair better, like blow dry type of, you know, when people blow dry their hair and like wand curl it. This would be like a good way to get the wand curl look, but heatless. But for wet hair, it's enough. Okay, so I took it out, and as you can see, there's some type of curl. So I don't know if it's best to kind of just take them out, like because my hair has taken form to the actual roller, but it's just not dry. So maybe if I take them all out and try to dry them, but I feel like it's gonna become a frizzy mess. But I mean, might as well try it, because honestly, still sitting up in these rollers ain't gonna do nothing. For real. So I'm just gonna unroll them, because most of them, like I said, so far they have taken the shape of the actual roller. It's just not dry. This one, not so much. It's like the more I tried to dry it, the more fluffy it got. Like, look at this. Curl at the end is cute, but it's a big IDK. I'm gonna leave it alone for a little bit longer, and I think I'm gonna re-roll this one and then just let it to continue to air dry a little bit more, and I guess we'll see. Tried to make it a little better, but we shall see. Cause I don't have time to deal with a failed hairstyle today. I really need this to dry and come out to like bring it together and all be worth it, because what the heck is this? Alright y'all, I'm back from out the lab, and I tried to separate this side, and I don't know if you guys can see, but like, I don't know, like, because when I used to do rod sets and stuff like this, like when I was transitioning from my heat damage, I tended to use a lot of like gels and stuff when I did like flexi rods and rod sets and stuff like that, so I would have like a little bit more hold. Because I don't know, when it comes to stuff like this, my hair needs a little extra push. Like, even with braid outs, when I do them now, I'm kind of iffy about not using any type of like holding product, because my hair literally will act a fool. Like, my curl pattern will try to show through the actual set. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like my curl pattern like is in there. Like, ugh. Right about now I hate it. Like really bad. Like, I hate it. So yeah, like honestly, I feel like this is a waste of time. The magic rollers, spoolies, whatever you want to call them, it's a waste of time unless you're Hazel Goddess, because hers came out beautiful. Like was my hair too wet? I don't know, but I definitely agree with Kimberly Sherrill. This type of thing is not for people with thick hair, especially if you're doing it on wet hair. Dry hair, maybe I'll try it again on dry hair, but as far as wet hair goes, it's a no-go, honestly, truly, unless you have 10 days to sit and wait for your hair to dry, which I'm pretty sure you don't, because I don't. It's no, you know, all this you could have 10 wash and goes done, but yeah, overall, like, as far as comfortability, is that a word? Comfortability, they're awesome, because you know, you don't even feel them while you're asleep, so that's a plus. That's a plus, because don't nobody feel like sleeping cute. But like, other than that, it's a no-go for me, honestly. Like, this one front curl right over here, this is the only piece of my whole entire head that dried. So I'm gonna fluff it a little bit, and that's gonna be it. I mean, I can't really do nothing else with it. Like, what the heck? I'm finna just leave it. So yeah, basically this was a big fat fail. I feel like honestly there's no point in even fluffing my hair, because I'm finna take this out. Like, what the heck? This sucks. I hate these things. Waste of time. At least they were only $2, but like I said, if it's not on dry hair, don't waste your time, especially if you have thick hair. This isn't it. It's not it. Like, it's not. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me be mad and make my hair look stupid. Seeing me be irritated by my hair and wasting my time. But I love you guys. If I decide to do these on dry hair, I definitely will come back and show you guys how it comes out. But until then, you guys will not ever see these again. It's not it, period. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money. Yeah, love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.